women not being perfect in our films. I think what we need to really kill is the perfection. See, human beings.
And objectifying them. We're
Yeah.
just not our lips and eyes and waists. You
Yeah.
know, being Mohan Babu's daughter, I started my career after being married, where most of the women are written off because they get married. So when you are true to yourself, the universe has no choice but to give you what you deserve.
It's always wonderful to start the day talking with a group of talented and amazing ladies. I obviously am excited because diverse stories, powerful stories, and of course, the feeling of love. How do you look at this entire concept of complicated love?
Complicated love. I think love is not complicated, but we humans really make it complicated with all the conditioning we go through, with all the kind of movies we grew up watching, and seeing our parents, or how the whole society is functioning in terms of love. Um, I think, and then there comes a point in your life where you're like, dude, I'm done with all this complicated shit. It's either love or complications. So it's either love or chaos. So I think I'm in that phase of my life where I'm figuring out, how to find love, or how to. I would say that I'm in a self-love phase right now, where it's not complicated. Like loving myself is not complicated. So just figuring out the whole thing about love. I'm in the process.
Self-love is the best kind of love. And we don't
Yeah,
do that.
totally agree. Self-love is the best kind of love. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Would you like to add to that, Lakshmi?
Hey, everything she said, I second that, And as she ended it, unless you find self-love, you can't really find love for the other. And I think that comes with falling in love, not being in love.
Yeah. Rising in love.
Yeah, and rising in love. So we got to empower each other and really know that love first starts from loving ourselves. So.
Right.
Yes, exactly.
Like they say, it's a quality of ourselves. No.
Would you like to add something more to this conversation?
Sanvi, you.
like
Oh,
that
Isha, you.
Isha,
What do you think
Valentine's
about
Day.
love?
Yeah,
it's,
Isha.
it's absolutely self-love is the more important thing.
Are you in love? I'll take over.
I was. I'm like, yes, I'm in love with myself.
There you
I
go.
can say that, yes.
We're all very politically correct today.
Exactly.
What are the few things you still feel that exists when you are being offered roles, when you're going for auditions, that you think need to be done away with?
I think let's just make peace with women not being perfect in our films. I think what we need to really kill is the perfection. See, human beings.
And objectifying them. We're just not our lips and eyes and waists. You know? Yeah.
Absolutely. Like, just portraying them being so perfect, like machines, like robots, and putting up with.
We women are. We are. But in film, we like to portray not so perfect women.
I think that's what my goal was. And then after a point, you get tired of, believing in this perfect stories, and you're like, no, this is not life is about. And that's when you start thinking, dude, you really have to play roles, that are similar to what you believe about being human.
The only thing that is real in life is either love or fear. So that's how you lead. I believe in that you lead your life in these two emotions. With fear comes insecurity, anger, hatred, all of that. But with love comes compassion, inclusivity, all things wonderful. So lead your life with love, because that's the only truth that there is.
I second Lakshmi on that.
Yeah. I think it's
Third and fourth also.
third and fourth also.
What I would like to say is, from my own personal experience, that I've learned is nobody teaches you to how to love yourself. So it's very important that to love yourself and discover you in the process, and to have healthy boundaries and balance.
Boundaries.
We all
Exactly,
tend
boundaries,
to fall in
healthy.
love, and then we sink and we drown. But
True.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rudrani.